Alright guys, this is going to be a short video today. Kind of just an update on Project Fritro out there. I've said several times about the high idle. I've kind of took for granted that we didn't have no vacuum leaks. So basically I'm out here this morning. Me and a buddy of mine seen something last night. We were looking at it and see something needs to be fixed. So I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to kind of show you what we got going on. And you know, that's going to be about it for this video. It's going to be super short, probably a couple minutes long. So let's flip it around. So, alright, this morning, as you can see, I pulled the intake off of it. Well, we get a vacuum leak and a boost leak. Actually, a super bad one, and there's really no way the car should ever ran with it. And I suspect it's been like this for a while. Even pre-supercharger. The supercharger definitely has not helped that leak. So, as you can see, got the sniper pulled off. And depending on weather today, I may go ahead and trim this harness down. Go ahead and get it out of there since it's accessible. But we also got Boots down here. He's doing his morning thing, watching birds. So, and as you can also see, I did not drag this out of the garage. But I got our intake off here. And I've had this intake built for a long time. The adapter is actually bolted to the intake here. I usually use JB Weld, not the quick stuff, the long cure stuff, and I have never ever had a problem out of it. Right here. Now last weekend I come in here and I changed this gasket and the other gasket on the adapter. But let's shed a little light on the situation here. You can see the light right there. But it's not just a little bit of light, it's a lot of light that goes all the way from corner to corner here. So basically what's happened is our bolt here, it started to rip the threads out. Now I can see that, and I know you can't see it on camera, but I can see threads sticking up out of this hole. So probably what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this back apart. I'm going to reevaluate our situation. I may nix this adapter, and actually this bolt 4-barrel one straight to the intake. That way I can use a taller 4-barrel spacer up here, get a little better plenum charge. But, we're making 15 pounds of boost with we might as well just have a 1-inch hole in the side of the intake, basically, because it's pretty big. So I'm gonna get to fixing that, and we'll talk about the fix in the next video. But I just kind of want to give y'all an update, and kind of what gave me the clue that something was wrong was I started seeing kind of a residue here on the intake, and I started seeing a residue here on the intake, and that's from the boost pressure blowing fuel out. So fuel leak's not cool, vacuum leak's not cool, so let's get it fixed. And until it's fixed, we'll see you at the next video.